Jai Srimanarayana. 20th sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Asurim Yonimapannaha Mudha Janmani Janmani Mamaprapyaiva Kaunteya Tato yanti Adhamam gatim. Om. Realize that this human life is only the chance for us to get Anugraham, mercy of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Realize that He is supreme. Sri Krishna Paramatma is your master. And decide that not to go against Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Don't cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall remember and realize that this my human life is only the chance to get your anugraham. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall accept your supremacy and I shall never go against you. Ho Srimanarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam. Devim Saraswatim Vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 328th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, in Vrindavanam, because of rains, because of adequate rains, all the crops are filled up with so much of crop. All the farmers also feeling so happy. But those who have not done that agriculture, maninam anutapam vai daivadhinam ajanatam, and those who does not believe in Daivam, they are feeling regretted after seeing that great amount of crop. And because there are adequate rain, all the water animals, they are all feeling so happy, they are all glowing. Just like Abhibhran Ruchiram Rupam Yadha Harinishevaya. As and how those who worship Sri Hari, Sriman Narayana, how they glow with great amount of effulgence, just like that, all the animals are looking glorified and with a great amount of light. And yadha adhokshaja chetasaha, as and how those who worships Sriman Narayana, Sri Krishna Paramatma, those who believes in Sri Krishna Paramatma, whatever the troubles they go through, they would never get shaken. They would never get unstable. Just like that, though there is so much of rain water falling on the mountains, those mountains are not getting shaken. And because there are so many rains, all the paths, the ways are filled up with so much of grass, so much of dirt. Because of that, nobody even able to see and recognize there is a way. It is looking just like as and how if the Brahmanas does not do Sandhya Vandanam and Shastra Adhyayanam for long time, if they do not do that, some of the Shastras are totally getting masked and getting disappeared. And because it is a rainy season, there is a rainbow in the space, but that bow has no thread. Because of that, that rainbow is looking different from other bows. How that is looking is, Paramatma comes down in different forms to this earth. He looks just like all other humans, but he is different because he is beyond all three gunas. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra explaining. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 20th sloka. Asurim yonimapannaha mudha janmani janmani mama prapyaiva kaunteya tato yanti adhamam gatim. Asurim yonimapannaha mudha janmani janmani mama prapyaiva kaunteya ततो यान्ति अधमां गतिं. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.